argues that indulging in champagne toast and holiday cookies qualifies as overdoing it. We also get it. After several weeks of merriment, it's easy to feel a little sluggish, bloated, and in need of a little detox. Today's video will discuss 5 easy ways to detox your body in 24 hours or less. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. The good news is these symptoms can be reduced or alleviated with lifestyle changes. But who want to wait 6 months to pass their metabolism back together? No one. Fortunately, there are a few simple changes that you can make today to kick your body into detox mode fast. Number 1. Pins on sleep. Giving yourself a good night's rest is one of the best ways to detox your body and reset. Sleep has been connected to weight loss, reduced cortisol level and stress, improved overall health. The best part about sleep is that it takes absolutely no effort. Just make sure the temperature of your room is cool and give yourself a 10-hour block to snooze. Number 2. Drink a big glass of water. Drink a big glass of water right after you wake up and right before you go to sleep and throughout the day. When you think about it, while our bodies are asleep, we go 7 or more hours without any hydration. By providing your body with hydration upon waking, it refreshes and energizes our cells. Number 3. Take a lot of straight breaks. Take a break once an hour, even if only for 5 minutes. Stretch and move around. This will decrease fatigue, get your blood flowing through the muscles and get your heart rate up and burning calories. Number 4. Reach for load-boosting beverage. At the top of the list of nutritionist-approved drinks, herbal tea, mineral broths, and good old H2O. Number 5. And avoid alcohol while you are at it. To our bodies, alcohol is a toxin, which means when we ingest it, our bodies will work to metabolize the alcohol before other sources of energy. In other words, while your body is busy working on alcohol, the other calories in your food or drink will store as fat. What do you think of this important information? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.